So Shine brings several core competencies to bear to accomplish our mission of being the leading supplier of medical isotopes in the world. And these core competencies range across a wide spectrum of both fission-based and fusion-based technologies. We've really been able to merge the sort of entrepreneurial spirit of a startup with a lot of technologies that are needed to bring this medical isotope plant to bear, and those range from particle accelerators to neutronics to thermohydraulics, and then just your basic engineering disciplines that it takes to build a plant. What's really unique about Shine is that we've been able to do this in a very lean and sort of entrepreneurial way.
So following high school, I went to college. I kind of switched majors. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. I went from computer science, electrical engineering to English, and I couldn't make a decision, and I ended up making a decision to join the Navy, and that kind of led me down a path of nuclear.
So here at Shine, I've got a couple of hats that I wear. So I'm mainly out at Building 1, working with the FPU demo device. This is essentially the neutron driver technology behind Shine's core idea, the molybdenum production. I mainly support to work with maintenance on that device. I also do some procedure writing, some procedure reviewing, and then I've got some other projects on the side that I help out with as well. So different types of roles depending on sort of what's required.
Yeah, so the reason I made the transition from nuclear energy to Shine was the mission. I loved what I did, supporting the nuclear industry. The tagline was 1 in 5 households is powered by nuclear energy, and there's a really big calling there of being able to provide this safe, clean, affordable energy, and I thought I would do that my whole career. And then I heard about Shine and Shine's mission and how this was going to be able to provide these life-saving medical isotopes to patients that are in critical need with a supply chain that's really challenged and really fragile. And that seemed like an even greater calling than what I was doing. And so to me, the decision was easy. Let's come and solve this problem.